T4-UvsX DNA recombinase is an essential enzyme derived from bacteriophage T4, which plays a pivotal role in DNA recombination, repair, and replication processes. This enzyme forms intricate filaments on single-stranded DNA molecules, aiding in the quest for homologous sequences within duplex DNA strands and facilitating the exchange of genetic material. Its involvement in homologous recombination and repair mechanisms is crucial for maintaining genetic diversity and stability within living organisms. T4-UvsX DNA recombinase is widely utilized in various molecular biology techniques, including recombinase polymerase amplification, thanks to its versatile nature and key functions. Scientists can access this enzyme in different concentrations, conveniently stored in a glycerol buffer for long-term stability. With its ability to serve as a versatile tool for genetic research, the T4-UvsX DNA recombinase stands as a cornerstone in advancing our understanding of genetic processes and molecular biology.
By providing more than 7,000 high-quality products and services, SBS GeneTech has empowered researchers in over 60 countries, resulting in over 4,500 publications in prestigious journals such as Science, Cell, and Cell Metabolism. From China, for the world, for superior biology services since 2000.